Hi, my name is Jesseline, and this is a video about polygons. We're going to talk about more specifically a triangle, but I will go even deeper into a video about triangles too. This will kind of introduce you to triangles. So a polygon definition is a closed figure by a finite number of complanar segments so that each segment intersects exactly two others, but only at their endpoints. Let's put that in easier terms. A polygon is something that is a closed figure made up of straight lines, and then those lines don't intersect each other. So like this one right here is not a polygon because these lines intersect each other. So the lines can't intersect each other, they have to be straight, and it has to be a closed figure. It can't just be open, okay? Not a polygon. Okay, a triangle is a type of polygon. The definition of a triangle is a three-sided polygon. So it has three sides. So any polygon that has three sides is a triangle. A triangle can be classified two different ways. It can be classified by its sides, or it can be classified by its angles. If it's classified by its sides, we have what we call scaling, which means that all three sides are different measurements. Okay, all three sides are different measurements. We have what we call isosceles, which means that at least two of the sides are the same measurement, and the word at least is very important. At least two of the sides have to be the same measurement. And then we have equilateral, which means that all three sides are the same measurement. So all three sides are the same measurement. And then we can classify it by its angles as two. We have acute, which means that all its angles are acute, which means that they're less than 90. Acute means less than 90. We have a right, which means that one angle is 90 degrees, is a right angle, and a right angle is 90 degrees. And then we have obtuse, which means that one angle is obtuse, okay? So one angle is obtuse. And this is how we can classify triangles, by their sides or by their angles. So let's do the flow chart for classify them by their sides. So if we classify a triangle, and if we classify a triangle by its sides, we get this flow chart. They're polygons. Then we're talking about triangles, which is a three-sided polygon. And then by its side, we have scaling, which means all three sides are different. And then we have isosceles, which means at least two sides are the same. And then under that, we have equilateral. That's what I'm saying, that at least two sides, because an equilateral triangle is an isosceles. So an equilateral triangle can be called isosceles, triangle, or polygon. But the most specific name for it is equilateral, which means all three sides are the same. Okay? The flow chart for the angles is a triangle can be right, obtuse, and acute. Right, obtuse, and acute, and then this can also be equal angular. Okay, so polygons, triangles can be right, obtuse, acute, and equal angular. Equal angular means that all angles are the same. Well, all angles, if they're all the same, they all have to be 60. And the reason why is that all triangles add up to be 180 degrees. And they all have three angles. So 180 divided by 3 is 60. So it can only be 60 if it's equal angular, which is an acute triangle because it's below 90 degrees. So that is an introduction on triangles. I hope you had a great time. Thank you for watching. Bye.